So these are the top 5 credit cards you can get in Australia in the year of 2024. The credit cards which we'll be discussing in this video comes with heaps of benefits, which on the low end will save you a couple of $100s, but on the high end will allow you to travel the world for absolutely free in business or first classes, and even allow you to stay in luxury 5-star hotels. The last 2 years I've gone ahead and made a video on what I think are the 5 best credit cards for that particular year, and you guys have really enjoyed it. However, in 2024, a lot has changed, and therefore I've had to do multiple hours of research, and I've gone ahead and revamped my list of best credit cards completely. So for every single credit card we rank in this video, we will be discussing their current sign-up bonus offers, their benefits and features, eligibility criteria so that you don't get denied, and finally my verdict on it. Before we get started, quick disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by any one of these credit card providers, so rest assured there is no vested interest. Now let's get into the value. So at number 5, we've got American Express's Platinum Edge credit card. So in my opinion, this is a solid credit card for all the beginners who are looking to earn American Express's membership reward points. Looking at the current new card member offer, the annual fee, which is $195 for this credit card, will be waived for you in the first year. So in my opinion, this is one of the best new card member offers currently available in the market, as you practically don't have to pay any upfront cost to have a credit card, which will allow you to earn points. Now looking at the rates and fees of this credit card, the current interest rate on this is 23.99% per annum, and you get up to 55 days interest free to pay back all your debt. The annual fee for this credit card is $195 from the second year onwards, and as this is an American Express's score credit card, you will be earning membership reward points for all of your expenditure. Now looking at the number of points you can earn with this credit card, you get 3 membership reward points per $1 spent at major supermarkets and petrol stations, 2 points per $1 spent on all of your purchases in a foreign country when overseas and online, and finally 1 point per $1 spent on all of your other kinds of purchases. Now moving on to the key benefits and the features of this credit card, that's where it really stands out. I would say the biggest benefit of this credit card is you get a $200 travel credit each year, which you can then put towards booking a domestic or international flight, car hire or a hotel booking, but keep in mind this all has to be done via American Express's travel online platform. Other key benefit of this credit card is you get a smartphone screen cover, which practically means that if you end up breaking your smartphone screen, you'll get $500 worth of credit to have the phone repaired by American Express. And finally, you can have additional cards at no extra cost for your friends or your family members linked to your account. Other travel benefits that comes with this credit card includes a complimentary travel insurance, which covers you for things such as medical emergency expenses, public transport accident, trip cancellation, travel inconvenience if your flight is delayed, and many more. You also get day-to-day insurance with this credit card when you use it for all of your expenditure. This includes things such as buyer advantage cover, card purchase cover, card refund cover, and finally fraud protection guarantee. So basically, whenever you use your Platinum Edge credit card to make any purchases, you automatically are eligible for all of these insurances. And finally, the last key benefit of this credit card is as you're earning American Express's membership reward points, you then have the flexibility to transfer these points into any one of American Express's hotel or flight partner programs. These partner programs include that of Singapore Airlines, Virgin Australia, Emirates, and many more. And let's just say you don't want to claim your points for free flights, you can then go ahead and convert these points for gift cards or shop online at Myers. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this credit card so that you don't get denied, the minimum requirements are that you have to be 18 and above, and you have to be an Australian citizen, permanent resident holder, or a long-term visa holder. So in my opinion, American Express's Platinum Edge credit card is one of the best credit cards for all the beginners who are looking to start earning credit card points for all of their expenditure. This credit card comes with great perks, and the current bonus points offer of $0 annual fee for the first year is a perfect cherry on the top. Now moving on to the next credit card on my list, and at number 4 we've got Big 4 Banks Westpac's Altitude Rewards credit card. So in my opinion, this is one of the best credit cards currently available, especially because of the bonus points offering as well as the key benefits and features that come with this credit card. Looking at the current bonus points offering with this credit card, you can earn up to 100,000 bonus Westpac reward points when you spend $6,000 in the first 120 days, and an extra 50,000 points when you renew this card for the second year. And the second bonus point offer on this credit card is the fact you get a reduced annual fee for the very first year. And let's just say if you're an existing Westpac customer, your annual fee would only be $99 for the first year. Now looking at the rates and fees for this credit card, the usual annual fee is $295. The current interest rate on this credit card is 19.99%. The current cash advance rate is 21.49% per annum. Keep in mind, this credit card has a minimum credit limit of $15,000. And now moving on to the number of points you can earn whilst using this credit card, you can get 6 points per $1 spent on all of your purchases with Jetstar, Qantas, Singapore Airlines, and Emirates flights bought in Australia. And then you can earn 2 points per $1 spent on all of your expenditure on Spotify Premium, David Jones, Myers, the iconic Airbnb, Uber, and Uber Eats. And finally, 1.25 point per $1 spent on all the remaining kind of purchases. Now moving on to the key benefits and features of this credit card, you get 2 complimentary priority pass lounge invitations in each year. You also get complimentary travel insurances with this credit card. You also have access to Westpac's concierge service, which is 24/7. You would also have access to Westpac Shopback credit card offers. And finally, this credit card comes with fraud protection from Westpac. There is also a foreign transaction fee of 3% for all of your overseas expenditure. You only get 45 interest-free days to pay back your debt. And finally, you can add up to 1 additional card holder at no cost. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this credit card, you have to be 18 and above. So in my opinion, this is one of the best credit cards if you're looking for flexibility in terms of earning your credit card points. And let's just say if you're not interested in earning points from any one particular kind of airline partner program, then this credit card might be a great fit for you. The total of 150,000 bonus points which you can get over the 2 years can be redeemed for over $700 in gift cards, or you can use it for a $500 cashback on your credit file. Finally, you can even use it to shop on Westpac's Altitude Reward Store. The only thing which you might need to keep in mind for this credit card is the fact it has a very high minimum credit limit of $15,000. Now moving on to the next credit card on my list, and at number 3 we've got Citibank Citi Reward credit card. So starting off with the current bonus points offering in this credit card, you can earn up to 100,000 Citi Reward points when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days. And secondly, the annual fee is reduced down to $99 for the very first year. Now moving on to the rates and fees of this credit card, the annual fee is $199 per year, but it gets reduced for the very first year. Looking at the current retail purchase rate, you're looking at 21.49% per annum, and the current cash advance rate is 22.24% per annum. You also get up to 55 days interest free to pay back all your debt, and the minimum credit limit on this credit card is $2,000. And let's just say if you want to add an additional credit card holder to your account, there's a fee of $90 per year. Now moving on to the points which you can earn whilst using this credit card, you can earn 1 Citi Reward point per $1 spent on all of your domestic expenditure. However, this is capped at $10,000 per statement, and then you can also earn 1 point per $1 spent on all of your international expenditure online or offline, and there is no capped limit on this kind of spending. And now moving into the key benefits and features that come with this credit card, you get a complimentary travel insurance which covers you for things such as medical expenses, cancellation, loss or theft of personal items and more. However, keep in mind, to be eligible for this, you have to spend at least $500 towards your overseas holiday with Citi Rewards credit card. At the moment, you can also get 10% off on a limited time Lux Hotel on Luxury Escapes up until 1st of March 2024. And finally, another major benefit of this credit card is you get a complimentary mobile phone insurance with this specific Citi credit card. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this credit card, you have to be 18 and above and have to be an Australian permanent resident. So to sum it up, this is a great credit card with a super low annual fee, and at the same time you get 2 credit card reward points for all of your day-to-day expenditure. You can then use these points to go ahead and claim a cashback on your credit statement, or claim them for different kinds of gift cards and vouchers. So if you're liking the video so far, make sure to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Now moving on to the next credit card on my list, and at number 2 we've got NAB's Qantas Rewards Signature Credit Card. So again, this is a premium credit card offering by a different Big Four bank, NAB, and it comes with a lot of great perks and benefits for its holders. Now looking at the current bonus points offering on this credit card, you can earn up to 90,000 Qantas frequent flyer points when you spend $3,000 in the first 60 days, and a further bonus 30,000 points when you renew this credit card for your second year. Secondly, you also get a $100 discount on your annual fee for the very first year. Now moving on to the rates and fees of this credit card, the annual fee for this credit card is $395, but for the first year it ends up being $295. The current variable purchase rate is 19.99% per annum, and you get up to 44 interest-free days to pay back all your debt. The minimum credit limit on this card is $15,000 per month, and the variable cash advance rate is 21.74% per annum. So as this is a Qantas frequent flyer points earning credit card, you will be rewarded with Qantas points for all of your day-to-day expenditure. Now looking at the points which you can earn with this credit card, you get up to 1 Qantas frequent flyer point per $1 spent on your everyday expenditure on all of your everyday purchases, but this is capped at $5,000 per month. And then from $5,000 to $20,000, you earn 0.5 Qantas frequent flyer point per $1 spent. You also get a free Qantas frequent flyer membership, which is worth $99 for free if you don't already have one. And then you also get 1 extra bonus point for every dollar on Qantas products and services. Now moving on to the key benefits and features that come with this credit card, you get complimentary insurances which cover you for things such as domestic, interstate and international travel. You also have access to NAB's fraud protection. On top of this, you get access to NAB's 24/7 concierge service. And finally, you can have an additional card holder for $0. These complimentary insurance also includes purchase protection insurance and extended warranty insurance. Now looking at the eligibility criteria for this credit card, you have to be 18 and above and you have to be an Australian resident for tax purposes. So to sum it all up, this is a great credit card offering by NAB, which has a really high bonus points offering available at the moment and really great perks and features whilst you use this credit card. However, do keep in mind, just like the Vesper credit card, the minimum credit limit is $15,000, which can be super high for some people. And finally, there's a capped monthly earned points. And now moving on to the number one and the best credit card you can currently get here in Australia in the year of 2024. We've got American Express's Qantas Ultimate Credit Card. So this specific credit card has been number one on my list for the last 2 years and it will continue to remain at that same position for this year as well. This specific credit card is perfect for people who are interested in earning Qantas frequent flyer points for all of their daily expenditure. To start off with, let's look at the current bonus points offering available on this credit card. You can earn up to 60,000 bonus Qantas frequent flyer points when you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. And now moving on to the rates and fees for this specific credit card, the annual fee is $450 per year. The current interest rate is 23.99% per annum and you get up to 44 days interest free to pay back all your debt. And now focusing on the number of points you can earn whilst using this credit card, you can earn up to 1.25 Qantas frequent flyer point per $1 spent on all of your day-to-day expenditure, and then 2.25 Qantas frequent flyer point per $1 spent on all of Qantas products and services. And finally, 0.5 Qantas frequent flyer point per $1 spent on all of your government bodies. So this specific credit card has the highest Qantas points earning per $1 ratio currently available amongst all the credit cards in Australia. And there is no cap on how many points you can earn as well. Now moving on to the key benefits and features of this credit card, the biggest one is the fact you get a $450 worth of travel credit each year. So what this basically means that you get a $450 worth of Qantas travel credit which you can use towards booking a Qantas domestic or international flight using the American Express's travel platform. If you end up using this travel credit, you end up offsetting the cost of your annual fee. Now moving on to the other benefits that comes with this credit card, you get complimentary lounge invitations to American Express's Centurion Lounge, and you also get 2 complimentary visits to Qantas's club lounges across Australia whenever flying domestically. And you can have additional card holders at no extra cost with this specific credit card. Now looking at the other kinds of benefits that you get with this credit card, you get a complimentary Qantas Wine Premium membership and you can earn 3 points per dollar spent on all of Qantas wine orders. And finally, you also get free delivery on Qantas wine orders with this credit card. Another travel benefit of this credit card is you get complimentary travel insurances whenever you book your travel using this credit card. And this is applicable for yourself, your partner and your children. And some of the things which you're covered for include medical emergency expenses, public transport accident, trip cancellation, loss or damage to baggage, and finally travel inconvenience if your flight is delayed. As this is an American Express's credit card, you also get everyday insurances, which includes things such as card purchase cover, card refund cover, card protection guarantee, and many more. Now looking at the current eligibility criteria for this specific credit card, you have to be 18 and above and you have to be an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or a long-term visa holder. So in my opinion, this credit card has continued to remain one of the best credit cards you can currently get here in Australia, thanks to all the benefits that you get with this credit card, which include travel credit, complimentary lounge invitations, complimentary travel insurances, access to American Express's offers which include cashback opportunities, and finally the fact there is no cap on amount of points you can earn with your spending. And because of all these reasons combined, this specific credit card has been part of my credit card arsenal for the last 5 years. So well, there you go. In my opinion, these 5 are the best credit cards you can currently get here in Australia in the year of 2024 and beyond. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to check out this video on the 5 best Qantas frequent flyer points you can currently get, and this video on the best American Express credit cards you can currently get. Make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. I will be replying to each and every single comment. Subscribe for more such content on personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, and life in general. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next one.